Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have a gorgeous new Land Rover Defender. This vehicle has a petrol engine and an automatic gearbox. This particular model comes in a gorgeous grey. It also has black accents such as your wing mirrors or your roof rails. It also sits beautifully on 19-inch alloys with a silver sparkle finish. Travelling into the boot of your vehicle, as you can see, it's spacious enough to fit all of your personal items, but you do have the additional option to remove your parcel shelf or flatten your seats if you require that extra space. You also get a tow bar, which is perfect for towing things such as caravans, boats or jet skis. You get LED headlights with this model, which have signature daytime running lights. Power folding wing mirrors when you unlock and lock your vehicle. Along with privacy glass on your back windows. Hopping straight into your vehicle, you will see it is part leather, has a robustec textile and ebony leather. You will also see your digital display screens along with your touchscreen display. Moving on to your seats, you have both heated and lumbar supported seats that are both fully adjustable. Moving into the back of this vehicle, you'll see you have dual climate control in the centre. This also has USB ports. The ebony leather is followed into the back. Here you will see you also have a central armrest for maximum comfort whilst travelling, along with twin cup holders inside. On your driver's side door, you have electrically controlled wing mirrors, along with electrically controlled windows. At the centre of this vehicle, you have a multifunctional touchscreen display. You will find 2-zone climate control by your automatic gear stick, along with USB ports and a storage compartment. You also have fixed twin cup holders, along with a large storage compartment. On your centre touchscreen display, you will find a lot of multifunctional uses such as navigation, media, radio. You're also able to expand your search. This is where you may find your heated seats, your climate control, you can control this individually or sync it with your passenger. You will find other options such as Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone and easily take those hands-free calls, or even find your favourite stations on the radio for your journey. On this vehicle, you're able to see your 3D surround camera clearly for either on-road, off-road or towing, making your journeys effortless. With your duo climate control, you can change the temperature of the car and either sync or have them individually from driver to passenger. With the same controls, you can control the temperature of your heated seats. You also have options such as AC, and with this control you're also able to access the settings for the airflow. Your part leather steering wheel is also multifunctional, meaning you can make hands-free calls, change the volume, or even limit your speed with cruise control. This is finished off with a chrome Defender logo. Just above your steering wheel you have your second multifunctional display screen where you can control things such as your display, your media, your vehicle settings, This vehicle has done 26,613 miles, subject to change due to test drives.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.